Hello everyone, if you want beautiful splits like me, stay with me and I will show you good exercises which help you to work with your mobility and make your splits amazing. Let's work. First, what you're starting to do is take our leg in this side and pushing one and feet on ourselves. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From this position, take your two legs on one hand. Fix my leg, that my knee is not going like that. And another hand, take my feet and help in pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fix it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last exercise, pushing strong. 1, 2, 3, 4 and on the 5 catch and finished. 1, 2, 3. After that, helping up with your leg, take two legs together, take your breath and slowly breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you support my channel. You can send me super thanks and likes, comments, follows. Next day, bye bye.